Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. So, yogurt, I got buttermilk, pancake, sausage, and a lot of butter flavored syrup and coffee. So, I cooked 4 sausage, put one with the pancake and syrup, and then the other two, I got them and I put them in a container and I put barbecue sauce and I cooked up potatoes and I got that cucumber and onion. I'm not gonna put egg. I'm gonna make it in Whip and make like a potato salad without. And I got a cucumber, so I'll cut it up real small. Don't have celery. So I did my patio, my deck video. You might not have got a notification because I did it quite not right after I did my breakfast video, but sometime the notifications don't go through. So I did the deck. I still got to do my scooter. It's a 2-person job. So that'll be probably the end of the month. Because I guess Bro already said in this video, because someone commented and asked about it, the end of the month I found out Leah is moving into Edmonton. They're gonna stay at Bro's. She's gonna be looking at 2-bedroom. Ian, he put his name in here. He's on waiting list, so he's gonna stay here until he finds a 1-bedroom, but the same company, they own 2 seniors building, which got an elevator. I'll see if they got something on the 2nd floor, because he could take over this one and then I'll move. You gotta be 55 plus, right? So, he could take over this one. The only thing that he don't have here is the underground parking, but he don't care. It's a parking spot, so at least he don't have to park on the road. Don't have laundry in the apartment, but you can always do his anytime. Because he only works Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. He got Thursday night, Friday, and Saturday off. So he got plenty of time to do his laundry. So, once he moves in, I'm gonna ask if they got something closer to my work. Instead of taking me 15 minutes, it would only take me, well, it takes me about 20. From there, it's right across from the bus. Then stop. From there, I wouldn't have to worry about ordering a bus or anything, because if it happened to start raining at 1 o'clock or something, I can just walk across. I don't have to worry about ordering a bus. That's the same ramp. The only thing is, I don't think the lights included. I'd have to put the lights in my name. Probably a 10-minute on my scooter walk. 25, maybe 25 minutes. 25-minute walk, 10 minutes on the scooter. can take over this one. But she needs first and last month's rent. And he would need it, but if he took over Friday and planned on paying the rent for July, so the rent would be paid for. I just have to worry about myself for August. We'd be about a month. The month of July would be. And then as soon as he moves in though, I'll ask right away if there's anything over there at the senior for August 1st. Unless the one bedroom comes up in this building, right? Then you can take that, but I'd have a greater chance, I think, getting a place over there. Anyhow. So, I think she's going to be working still here. She'll travel back and forth. And I think Jenny is going to babysit her. She'll drop her off at Jenny's. She only works 6-hour days, so she don't work 8 hours. Get them in a 2-bedroom first, and then if I can find something over there for August 1st, that'd be perfect. Then he would just have to pay his rent here for August 1st, the internet, and the insurance. And everything's paid for. So that's the thing. Oh, and then when he moves, I started with the scooter, I can get him to film me. I'll do it in daytime and in nighttime. And put them together. I can't really do it with one person. I like to get that black steel basket to put on the back of it though, for a bill. I got this blue dollar store thing. I just want to get a basket. And then I'll film. I just can't cook I think it's just soggy because of the syrup. But I cooked my pancake before the sausage because I didn't want, I don't know, after I was done with the frying pan, I just wanted to soak it. So, he's going to bring a air mattress, put it over there, and move my couch. The pond is bringing her deep fryer to me. So I'll be using, not deep fryer, but air fryer. And she'll probably get one. Ian don't care about it. She'll stay at Rose for the month of July too. She's looking for August 1st. He's gonna bring his barbecue. Cause they got a storage. They're gonna put stuff in storage, right? But if I can get something over at the other place, So on the weekend when he's not working, I can catch the bus over to Walmart and he can come pick me up. Go shopping at Walmart even. It rained all night. It stopped now, but by 1 o'clock it's supposed to be plus 30. But then they're saying it's gonna start raining about 6. 60% chance rain at 10 o'clock after work. So I'm chancing it. If it rains a little bit, I can ride in it. But anyhow, so that's the story there. My birthday's the 18th. Got my card. And the 17th, I gotta work that Saturday. But I'm opening, so I won't be able to do breakfast. So I leave here. I'm gonna leave here at 5:45 and get there for, that's what I did before and got there for 6, had to wait a half hour. Anyway, I can't open the door until 6:30 and set the alarm, right? And then afterwards, I'll probably come home and nap for 2 hours. Get them to come get me about 5. We'll go to Walmart, get the ground beef. I want real ground beef for a burger. Maybe get some, well, I want to get a big onion, cut up some raw one, and in the frying pan, cook up some. And put both on the burger. So, yeah. So, she wanted, well, I told her, Lavonda, I said, I'll pay the rent. White and not, if light, well, lights and that wouldn't be included. She would have to pay the internet, the lights and whatnot. But I would pay the rent. If she would have stayed here and not go to Edmonton, and we could have got a 3-bedroom townhouse. 3-bedroom townhouse. I said, as long as the rent's $1,500. Then I got to pay my food and my phone. That's it. I said, get a 3-bedroom, me and you, and I don't care if it's only 1 bathroom, it don't matter. Backyard and everything the townhouse comes with. Here, so I can keep my job and Leah can still go to this school and da-da-da. Anyway, I said, get a 3-bedroom and then Ian could take over this one. She wanted me to move into Edmonton. We get a 3-bedroom back. I could get transferred to a place where I'm working, but all south, because she wants to live around Millwood or whatever. All around that area is a 2-person store. That means there's propane, cigarettes, bottle. I don't want to do propane. I don't want to do propane. So no. Things are moving out. Have everything moved out by the 26th. So, Anyhow, so it'll be more weekend I cook, not the 17th, 18th, but the 21st or 26th. If I work cook on a Saturday or Sunday, I can film it and me and Ian can do a chat. Because by me not doing the breakfasts those couple days that I had to work, and me not cooking, the money from YouTube is only about half right now. And today's only the 12th. Anyway, I'll figure it out. So the other mother-in-law, she acted up, and it snowballed. Anyhow, greed. The woman is full of greed. I mean, I could move there, but I would try to get a 9 to 5 Monday to Friday job. That'd be hard to find. Just the cashier, full time. Cause he could take this spot. I'm off for 2 weeks, so I could go to Bros and look too. I could stay at Bros for 2 weeks and try to find something, and we could get a 3-bedroom together. I'm just tired of moving. I'm comfortable here. I know the other places, the deck is so small. It's not long. It's like a 8 by 8 or 6 by 6 maybe. I'm putting my hammock. I don't care where I go, even if I gotta hang it in the living room. Oh, I napped twice on that thing so far. And it wasn't at night too. Traffic going, I got the tree, nobody can see me. I laid back, napped for about an hour each time. It was nice out there, wind, because like I said, the sun goes around 10:30, eh? And even about 8, 9 o'clock, I got that divider singing. I don't get much sun in that corner. So I lay back there and put the music in my ear, and oh, it's so comfortable. Easy on the back. I tell you, I got it on Amazon. I got it with the I got it out of the money for my scooter. I went and got that and a table and chairs on Amazon. And then I bought that other scooter, which I lost money, and then anyway, whatever. See, I'll have an elevator. It'd be so much easier with the scooter instead of banging up and down those stairs. But they're only 7 steps, so it's no big deal. So I can either wait until he finds a 1-bedroom, does not be in this apartment. He'll be here the month of July for sure, because they won't have the money for first month's rent and damage deposit until August 1st for him, because it's got to get her situated first. And he's okay here. Landlord says anything, I'll say, well, his name's on the waiting list for here. Anyhow, or I can ask her if there's anything that's going to be in there's 2 seniors unit down there. And he can take over this one. And I keep my job here. Or I move into Edmonton, try to find another job, cashier. Full time Monday to Friday. I don't want to work weekends now. Go in there for 2 weeks or a week or so. Walk around with my resume. I give my notice. The girl that's working weekend, she'll take. I'm supposed to go back to third. She would take that, you know. And then they just have to find someone for weekend. And or I try to find something in my job, get it transferred, but I don't want a 2-person. It looks like Parsons got one evening shift right now available, but and it would be close. It's in Millwood. And then I get a 3-bedroom, and then Jenny's in Leduc. Here. But she always got in if she ever. And if I didn't work weekends, I can always come by bus and come visit her. Or she can come by bus. She knows how to do the bus and the LRT now. So it's not like I could come on a Saturday, spend the night, take her back on Sunday on the bus. She could stay a little bit and then come back. The bus and the LRT. So I don't know. But if she wants to take a course, she gotta take it in Edmonton. There's nothing here. In September the kids are older. She was talking about taking her. She wants to be a, I don't know what you call it, mortician or something. Not do the autopsy, but like embalm them and get them ready. And it's a good paying job because nobody want to do it. There's a lot of jobs for it. No wonder. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She'd be assistant first, though. She wants to be assistant for a couple of years after a course, and then you become like assistant, and then after, whatever, 4 years usually, eh? Then you become a full-fledged mortician or whatever you call it. That's what she wants to do. I don't even, they must be a school. She's not good in biology. She never took biology and science and everything, but she got a grade 12, and that means a lot here. A lot of people quit before. So I think we got the highest minimum wage here, so a lot of people quit and start working. That's what, and the kids. Clara will be in grade 1, she'll be full-time, and Jace will be full-time, and they'll have the same days, not like right now, Monday to Friday, and so she could go to school, but it'd be too hard for her to travel, and then the kids, and because it'd take too long to get there and back, and she would have to have a after-school a babysitter for them, and it would be just too hard. And I think the course, probably 10 months or something, they probably do on-the-job training. Anyhow, that type of job, you can't work from home. I don't know, I'll decide. I got until end of this, well, next week to decide, really. But she's not looking at 3 bedrooms up there. Next week she goes out and looks at the 2 bedrooms, I guess. Hopefully something comes up for August 1st in this building. If not, I'll have to move to the other one, which I would benefit more. I'd be closer to work. So I got nobody to drive me home in the winter time. Friday night maybe, well, Thursday and Friday night, but Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday I would have to walk him because he works nights in the winter time. It'd be a lot easier. Those cold nights at 50 minutes make a difference. 45 minutes to walk it, they're probably about half hour, so 25 minutes in the winter time. Makes a big difference when it feels like -40, right? That's what I'll probably do. I'll go check. I'll talk to LaFonda first. It'd be nice to have an elevator. I gotta pay lights. I think the washer and dryer is in the unit. That's an added bill. If I do that, I might have to find a job working Saturday somewhere else to make up and just have Sunday off to make up for that added expense. But people moves out of here all the time. His name's on the waiting list. She sees him come and going and question it. I'm parking in my parking spot. I'm gonna say, well, he put his name, he got his name in here for a 1-bedroom. He could even take a 2-bedroom because it's cheap enough. If a 2-bedroom came up. Because when Leah comes to visit and whatnot, you know. Anyhow, I gotta do that salad. Put that, and I got the chocolate muffins there. The chocolate muffins for my lunch. I got cheese. I got pepperoni. That'd be my lunch. I got no fruit. I gotta, whenever I get groceries, so I'm working the 16th and I'm opening 17th. Going to LaFonda. I'm thinking that morning, 8 o'clock, they open no frills, the 16th, Friday, when I get paid. If I go do some of my groceries, my breakfast videos might be a little late. So I got no time. I could do it the 18th on my birthday too, in the morning. We'll see. I don't know if I want to go to No Frills at 8 o'clock in the morning and drive groceries up that hill. It's like a little hill, not that big. But when you got packed up with groceries, it feels like a hill like that, right? So today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 4 more days left. So, even if LaFonda, well, moving in Edmonton, on the weekend, I can still cook and invite after he moves or I move or whatever happens. I move to the other one or whatever, I can still invite him over and we can still do a video chat, you know. Then some weekend Leah's gonna be here, so we'll include her too. Oh my goodness, why is my back hurting? Sitting sitting in one spot, eh? This must have been a half hour or more. Ooh, I just rambling today. Yeah, that's long. 30 minutes. So you guys all have a good day, and it's cigarette time.